Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video you're going to be learning a really nice 8 packet magic trick that you can do. It's no setup at all and will definitely fool your spectator. So let's get started with the performance and then you're going to learn how to do it. Have you ever heard of illusions? If you haven't, then you're gonna see an illusion right now. So, as you can see that I've got 4 black cards and 4 red cards. These are just normal playing cards, okay? And I'm gonna be using the red cards for now. So here's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the black cards. As you can see, we have here all these black cards, and I'm going to leave them right here. And I'm gonna be using the red cards, okay? So as you can see that we have here 1, 2, 3 and just 4 red cards, okay? So now watch, if I just go ahead and snap my fingers, as you can see that we have here a black card, another black card and more black cards. So now each and every card here is a black card, and you must be thinking how, but that was just an illusion, because if I just wave the deck like so, as you can see that we have here all red cards. So the black cards were never here. That was just an illusion. So now basically what's going to happen is I'm going to take the black cards and I'm going to set them over here, and I'm going to take the red cards and they're going to be in my hand, okay? So what's going to happen is I'm going to take the red cards one by one and I'm going to keep them on top of the black cards, okay? So as you can see that we got all these red cards and I'm going to set them on top of the black cards. But that was also an illusion, because if I just snap my fingers, as you can see, the cards interlace magically. As you can see, red, black, black, red, like so.